Welcome back. When we use the rewrite command and we click on it, Perplexity will ask you what model you want to use. So we did attempt to rewrite with a different model. However, it did produce something that looked more like an outline than it did an article. So what we did was we went back and we did a follow-up question and we stated that we wanted Perplexity to write the post as if it were going to be on a blog, and then took that request and then did some rewriting and incorporated our personal profile into the writing. So we now have a long blog post inside of our space. So basically, everything that we have is going to be related to our topic area. We're now going to take the very same prompt and we're going to ask Perplexity to write it. And we're going to ask Perplexity to write it using the files and not the web. So we're going to place in our text, and this time we're going to go to set our sources. We're going to detach the web from this particular writing, and we're going to ask Perplexity now to rewrite the very same thing, yet with the files that we have uploaded. So we're now going to click enter. And we're going to see the work that Perplexity is going to put together based on the files that it has available. One thing is noticeable from this article is that the application is misspelled. So we're going to go back to Perplexity and we're going to ask Perplexity to rewrite the article, yet we're going to give it the correct spelling for the application it is basing its writing on. And we're going to ask Perplexity to rewrite based on that fact. So Perplexity works like any other chatbot. You can iterate with it. And as you iterate, you will be able to create more and more accurate information with your sources. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.